Okay na
Okay.
ba?
Okay. Wait. Kung stand na sa jacket ko lang to pinatay. Okay,
Sige.
what's our debate format? Asian par na lang, speaker 1 2 3 ganyan exchange.
Exchange na lang.
Okay. Sige, you set the proposition, let our audience understand your proposition, the proposition you created, and then since you will be the first speaker, so you open the debate.
Okay. Pero coming from your argument to sa mga post mo. So doon
So
galing
you are simply debunking the arguments I have posted. Yan yung point mo.
Yes.
Okay. Sige.
Okay. So, una, sinasabi mo, i-ano na lang natin, i-summarize natin na may
Okay.
dalawa lang na ways to bring PRRD home. Actually, ito, very hasty to sa akin. Very dangerous talaga ang magganito lang. Dalawa lang, there's only one, there's only two, there's only three. Very dangerous talaga mga ganitong arguments. Kasi, pagbigay lang ako ng isa.
Wait lang muna. I-set muna natin para maintindihan ng audience natin, okay? You are decoding the information as as two ways lang, two options. My point is realistic options, two realistic options. Kaya nga ang argument ni Joey is not realistic. So do not remove the realistic options para
No problem.
debate natin. Sige, go.
No problem. Meaning, I can only give, if I can give one realistic option as well, na debunk na yung dalawa mo only. Okay? Kaya nga,
Sige.
very dangerous ang ganitong arguments. Kasi nga, sabi ko, para sa'yo, ang ways lang para mabalik si PRRD is bring PRRD, to bring PRRD home ay one is mapalitan si Bongbong. And I saw sa comment section, you said impeachment. Kasi may nagtanong sa'yo, and I have that screenshot, na ang sinabi mo, impeachment. Realistic impeachment. So I really want to know how you will do that sa current situation natin sa mga arguments mo. Pangalawa is mapalitan si Inday. Maupo si Inday sa 2028. Okay? Tama din naman, I agree with Madam Joey, na these two are two of the other possible options. Diba? Para mabalik si PRRD. One realistic option as well is ma-dissolve ang ICC. Binigay ko na to binigay ko na to. And now it is happening paunti-unti. Nagkakaroon ng mga sanctions, may mga nagwi-withdraw ng support. And it can be done by good international optics and more. Okay? So, pag na-dissolve ang ICC, pag nagsialisa ng mga members niya, pag nag-withdraw ng support ang mga members niya at ng mga membership nila, one realistic option is to do good international optics and to show to the world na hindi nakatiwa-tiwala ang ICC. Thus, pag na-dissolve ang ICC, ay hindi na sila pwedeng mag-detain ng prisoner. Okay? This is more realistic kesa doon sa i-impeach si Bongbong na hawak nila ang House of Representatives. So ngayon, sa akin, these are just one of the possible realistic options. Okay? Kasi ang sinasabi mo realistic.
Okay, so you are sige,
wait lang,
clarify ko lang.
Okay.
Sige.
Go.
I mean, so you are basically saying that on top of the arguments you presented, the most realistic way is the dissolution of the ICC itself because of the withdrawal of support of the member nations.
No, ang sinasabi ko, mas realistic pa to kesa lang doon sa i-impeach si Bongbong kasi as of the moment, hawak na hawak nila ang Congress. 'Di ba? Hawak nila ang Congress and sabi mo nga, they don't care about law. They don't care about rule of law. Isa yun na nanggaling yan. Hindi sila magpa-follow kung ano man ang nasa batas, ano man ang process. So, maliban sa, i-debunk mo yung sarili mo na they will follow rules, di ba? They will follow the law, then nag-agree ka na ito ay unrealistic kasi, again, it's coming from you. Pangalawa, kasi sabi ko, magbigay lang ako ng isang realistic option din na debunk na yung dalawa mo. Kasi ibig sabihin, there are more possibilities than sa binigay mo. Pangalawa, saying na the other things na ginagawa ay futile and noises. Una, hindi. Kasi lahat ng mga noises natin before, una, I really want to know, how can you achieve yung dalawa na sinasabi mo instantly without doing other things? O sinasabi mo ba na it is a process. There are small and big things that should be done or that should start bago mapunta tayo sa sinasabi mong dalawang option. Kailangan ba meron munang public consciousness na pare-pareho tayo? Kailangan ba may gathering muna of support? Kasi kung sinasabi mong yun lang ang dalawang option and the other are futile and noises, when in fact, it can contribute doon sa dalawang option mo para ma-achieve yun, then I don't know what you are talking about sa futile and noises. Kasi yung mga noises natin, yun ang dahilan kung bakit aligagana sila sa flood control project. We started the noises nung nagsabi si Bongbong na 5,500 flood control projects. We started that. Is it futile? Is it just noises? No. Pangalawa,
sorry to cut you off muna because I'm lost now with your line of argumentation. What is the relevance of pointing out the flood control controversy into this issue when the proposition itself talks only on the ways, the possible ways and realistic ways to bring FPRRD home?
Okay.
Because the way I see it, you're actually enticing another idea in order to lure me to believe onto your narratives. But the fact of the matter is, the proposition will limit the parameter only on the ways on how to bring FPRRD home.
Okay. Sabi mo nga, one way to bring PRRD home, two ways, is to make Sara win sa 2028 and also to bring down Bongbong. And for you to bring down Bongbong and to make Sara win, you need to have public consciousness sa mga issues na ginagawa ni Bongbong. It's not magic na tomorrow, bigla na lang tayo magsisigaw na si Bongbong ay pabagsakin. Walang ganun. You need first to make sure na calibrated tayo sa issues na si Bongbong ay gumawa ng corruption, flood control, gumawa ng kasinungalingan. That's why for me kasi, hindi. Tiyo, ang sayo kasi, as if yung ibang mga ginagawa ay futile and noises, while for me, yung ibang mga ginagawa natin are actually ways to go to kung anong sinasabi mo. It's a process.
And what are those?
Walang futile, walang noises, all of this has effects. Okay?
And what are those? Enumerate.
One is for us to make Supreme Court decide doon sa nangyari kay PRRD. Kasi kung meron na tayong cemented decision that nationally we are accepting and calibrated na tayo na illegal, unconstitutional at lahat yung ginawa ni Bongbong and nung mga kasama niya, we have first national consciousness na yun ang totoo. Okay? So this will urge the passion of the people. Hindi mo mapapagalaw ang mga tao na hindi nila to nararamdaman. Hindi mo mapapababa si Bongbong na wala tayong national consciousness sa mga ganong bagay. Flood Control Project, MOOE. So it's a process, Tiyo. Okay? Itong tayo kami naman, itong mga paglarally natin, it is within the process. Kaya nga gusto ko maintindihan, ano yung sinasabi mong everything else, maliban dun sa dalawa na futile. And kasi sabi mo everything else yung dalawa lang talaga or else everything is futile and noise. Okay? So sa akin lang, it is a process. If you don't understand na itong mga ginagawa na to, lahat ng ginawa natin from nung nagsalita tayo kay Bongbong, na wala na si Martin Romualdez, si Saldi ko nandun na nagkakagulo na ang Congress, may ICI na. All of this will affect you and will help achieve yung sinasabi mo. Okay.
So are you saying, Coco, that we still have not achieved it until now? So meaning to say, the option for impeachment to Bongbong Marcos is not a viable or doable solution as of the moment because we still have not achieved all those things despite all the noises that we've done in the past?
No, you need to prove to me. Ikaw magpo-prove na achievable
No,
yan.
I'm still asking because I am establishing my...
It's your claim na realistic siya.
Exactly. That's why I'm establishing now. So let me know if I can
Ikaw
speak
ang
now
nagsabi na impeachment.
Exactly. That's why I'm clarifying to you. Oh.
So that's not
what's
why
really
my
your point
argument
now? So
Okay. You need to prove na pwedeng ma-impeach si Bongbong without going through these little and big actions na ginagawa natin. That tomorrow, right away, with all the congressman, pro-Bongbong, pro-Martin Romualdez and everything, it can happen without all this, what you are calling futile and noise. Okay? So, since claim mo to, you need to prove those. You need to prove na kayang ma-achieve yung
you
impeachment.
don't need to tell me on what to do. I know my arguments. I'm just clarifying.
No, I'm just telling you what I am expecting. I am just telling you what I am expecting.
Okay.
Okay?
Sige.
Okay.
Are you done?
So yun. I'm done. Go.
Okay, I actually expected more substantial argumentation on this debate from you, Coco, but I only heard psychobabbles and all those
Just do
things.
the argument.
But no, no,
Just
no,
do the
no,
argument.
no, because my argument is actually leaning towards there.
Oh, go,
Because in the first
continue.
place, you fail to understand context, okay? On my previous post, I have specifically cited that the exhaustion of legal remedies was already done by the legal team of PRRD, i.e., the Supreme Court's ruling on its recent decision about the extradition, surrender, and cooperation, international cooperation that was promulgated in November of 2025. I pointed that out first, and that is the context that you fail to understand. Secondly, I connected it to the issue of Senator Bato de la Rosa. As I mentioned, there is already a legal safeguards embedded or promulgated under that Supreme Court decision. It's just so happened that even if the Supreme Court is very clear on its safeguard and guidelines pertaining to the extradition, surrender, and international cooperation, the Bongbong Marcos administration is not adhering to those guidelines. So that is why on my post, I pointed out that this is the real problem now. Because since 2022, we have exhausted other remedies aside from the legal battle or exhaustion of the legal remedies. We have rallies. Right after the kidnapping of PRRD, we have done so many rallies already. And right now, we continue to do so. But then again, the Bongbong Marcos administration does not listen. Okay? Another context, in order for you to clearly understand the entire picture, is this. Even if so, as I previously mentioned, I am not against the Duterte siblings filing their habeas corpus petition before the Supreme Court, because every person with locus standi is actually given that constitutional right to do so. Okay, but the point of the matter now,
So
hold on,
those are, wait lang.
hold on.
I just want to clarify. So those are not noise and futile for you. Noises and futile for you.
No, Coco, that is
So
actually the context
please
that I am
answer.
talking about. Allow me
Please
to
answer.
establish the context, Coco.
No,
Coco,
please
Coco,
answer
I know what
first.
you are doing. I know what you are doing. In order
No,
for us to
because
understand,
everything
allow me to
else for
speak.
you. Okay. Kasi I allowed you to ask me questions why I am
Coco, I am
answering.
asking you that I am still establishing the context after
Okay,
context
okay,
in order
okay.
for you to tie it back to the argument. Okay?
Okay.
Oh my
Sige.
God. Okay, so Coco, ito na. In my previous post as well, I already pointed that out, or yung sa habeas corpus petition. Ang sinasabi ko, even if the Supreme Court will rule on our favor, okay, pertaining to the habeas corpus petitions of the Duterte siblings, that is only binding domestically, and the court has no right to actually influence the decision of the International Criminal Court. Okay? Why is that so? Because the habeas corpus is a domestic legal remedy. It is not an international legal remedy. Okay? Now, if the court rules on our favor, we win here in the Philippines. Correct. Okay. Clap, clap. Ganyan. But the point now is, how can we enforce the decision of the Supreme Court? That is to ask the executive department. And who spearheads the executive department? The President, Bongbong Marcos himself. Now, if we trace it back, if we use the time frame analysis on this issue, Coco, you have to understand that from the very beginning, we identified that the mastermind of everything is Bongbong Marcos and Martin Romualdez. Now, if the Supreme Court rules on favor of the Duterte, how can we reconcile that fact? Or how can we say that Bongbong Marcos would follow such decision coming from the Supreme Court? Okay? Now, here's the thing. On my proposal, I would say that it is more realistic. Because since 2022, we have already awakened the public consciousness about the GAA, the General Appropriations Act, and all those things, the flood control issues, the ones that you have mentioned. However, this has nothing to do with our debate because the parameter is actually talking about the remedies that we can employ in order for us to bring PRRD back home, okay? Now, on my argument, on my proposals, I argue that the best and realistic way for us to do this is to really remove Bongbong Marcos, the sitting president of the Republic of the Philippines, and replace him with someone who is willing to actually exhaust all efforts to fight for the sovereignty, to even dismiss or discredit the the sanctions that the country will be facing in terms of bringing PRRD back home. That is why, if we look at the constitutional aspect of this conversation, of this debate, Coco, I mentioned that one of the best possible ways is actually through impeachment. Okay? Now,
So now
yun-
it's just best possible ways. Kasi
realistic.
kanina pa sinasabi mo, best realistic, hindi only
Oo.
ways. Kasi sa arguments mo in the past, others are only noise and futile.
Okay. Coco, again,
Futile?
I already told
Do
you.
you want me to
Coco,
read your-
Coco, I
your
already
post?
told you the context. Okay.
Do you want me to read
in
the
order for us
post?
to understand each
Do you want
other,
me to
you
read
tell me
your
what
whole
you
post?
understood. You tell me what you understood in
Hindi,
the argument. Sige,
para
one
sa
by
lahat
one.
po, I will read the whole posts ni
No.
Tio.
Just point out the argument kasi
Hindi,
maubos tayo ng
para-
time kasi I was expecting a better
Okay.
debate from you. I haven't prepared nga.
This is better.
Ako.
Kaya nga,
Oo.
hanggang hindi mo nadidebug na yung possibility na ma-dissolve ang ICC, ay hindi mo pa nadidebug. Yun yung hinihintay ko sa'yo.
Coco, listen up. I'm not yet there. I'm not debunking it yet. I'm still telling you the context. That's why.
Okay,
Oh my
kasi,
God.
Tio,
I thought it's
yung argument ko
fine.
lang, Tio, with all these arguments na sinasabi mo nga, ang sinasabi ko lang, there are not only two at nagbigay ako ng isa. And until now, you are not addressing it. I'm still waiting. Pangalawa, binabago mo na yung argument mo from only kasi yung iba nga ay futile at noise, ngayon best na lang. Best. Ibig sabihin, ito lang yung best options. Others are possible na but they are not the best. So,
Coco.
binabago na ba natin?
Sige.
Binabago na ba natin yung
No,
argument?
that's not the contention here. Coco, you are actually
binabago
wasting
na
my
ba
time
natin yung
because you are
argument?
unresponsive.
From
You are
two
unresponsive
only?
to my arguments.
No,
Okay?
please answer. Please answer. Binabago na ba natin ng argument na there are only two options or
No.
there are two
No.
of
No.
the
To answer
best
your question, no. To answer your
Okay,
question, no.
dalawa pa rin. Okay.
To answer
Okay,
your
go.
question, no. Okay, to answer
Okay,
your question, no. Para matapos ka na.
Go.
Ito na nga, sinasabi ko sa'yo, you are still not tying all the context that I have told you a while back. Those are the contexts that I have used in order for me to strengthen my argument. Okay? Now, you haven't actually given me a very realistic counter proposal. So what you have given me is the
Okay.
dissolution of the ICC through the withdrawal of its member states. Okay?
Okay.
But the question is, how can it personally affect the detention of PRRD? Just because there are a few number of member states that are withdrawing from the ICC, how can it affect the case of PRRD? When will that happen? What would be the likelihood? Because, for example, it's established. It's an established international entity. It's not only like a barangay level na pwede mo lang i-dissolve automatically. Again, it's established. That's a fact that you
But is
don't
it
want.
possible? Is it realistic?
Exactly. Your counter proposal is unrealistic for me because you haven't really provided me a clear picture as to how it operationalizes. Okay?
I
You
provided
provided dissolution of
sanctions,
member state.
withdrawal of membership.
So
Ano ba
I
yun,
have to
Tio?
add, I think
Nakikinig ka
you
ba?
are very
Nakikinig ka
unresponsive,
ba?
Coco.
I provided.
No,
I
you are very
provided.
unresponsive.
You are
and not
lying that
actually-
I didn't provide.
Oh, so
You are
so what's
lying.
so what did you give me?
Okay? Actually,
Dissolution
okay,
of the withdrawal of
sabi
the
mo,
member
hindi,
states.
hindi possible.
Hala.
Yes, may mga nag-withdraw, may mga sanctions na sila, may mga nawawala na silang mga capabilities. So these are very, very possible. What are you talking about?
So the impeachment is impossible, but the dissolution is
big superpowers are giving them sanctions. These are superpowers. We are talking about international exactly. This is not
Go,
a
go, go.
barangay level.
Coco,
Okay?
I am wasting
Okay.
my time. I am wasting my time. You don't understand my argument. You don't understand. That's why.
Okay. Actually,
Okay,
Tio,
ganito na lang. In order for us to
Sige,
understand, para may may common denominator, what is your legal basis that Duterte can be brought back home because of the dissolution of the ICC
Tio.
since it's the withdrawal? What is your
Tio,
legal
you just
basis?
need proof there are
because
two.
your opinion,
Possible.
because your
Hindi,
opinion, I do not agree with your opinion.
don't
I do
pass
not agree with
your-
I do not agree with your
okay.
opinion. You do not
Una,
agree with my opinion.
okay.
So, opinion
Okay.
direct of any legal
Ang
legal
problema,
basis
you
remains
said,
an opinion.
impeachment is
Okay?
possible. May nag-file na po ng impeachment at binasura lang ng Congress. Binasura
Oo nga,
lang.
oo.
So what you are talking about is not possible until we prove to the people na kailangan na yung gawin ng Congress. So tell us why possible, very realistic and possible yung impeachment
Okay.
when in fact may nangyari na.
That's
How can you do that?
That's exactly my
How can you
point.
do that?
Again, that's exactly
How can you do
my
that?
point that you failed
Can
to
you tell
understand
us
again.
how you can
because
do
as
that?
I mentioned, Coco, listen up. That's
How
the
can you do
concept
the
that you failed
impeachment
to understand.
now? Kung hindi na nga nag-work.
Oh my God.
meron na tayong basis. May nag-file na ng impeachment pero hindi nag-work. So how can you do that without these small things that we are doing? That for you is futile and noise. So what should we do differently? Tell me, what should we do differently? File another
Okay, if I tell
impeachment?
you, you keep quiet. If I tell you, you keep quiet.
Okay, tell us.
Okay, you keep quiet, okay?
Mhm.
Coco, if you have read the entire contention on my previous post, I even said that it's high time for us to pressure the congressmen in order for them to in order for them to really think that the
How?
impeachment of Bongbong Marcos is very possible.
How?
Of course, you have to you have to draft the impeachment case. You have to let someone. That's the process. You have to ask someone to
So
endorse
mag-file
it.
lang ulit ng another impeachment.
So are you saying that just
Mag-file
because
lang
we
ulit
cannot
ng
impeach
another.
BBM, we will not try, but because you can dissolve the ICC, that's very possible. So that's your
Okay,
argument.
I'll tell you how. I'll tell you how. Okay? Ito mga sinasabi mong futile at noise, ito ang dahilan kung bakit na-pressure si BBM na i-reveal. Kasi if we will do another
Oh, say-
thing,
say-
this
say
is
you are
again,
strengthening
over
my
and over
argument.
again. Okay.
You are
Tio,
strengthening my
if we will do, okay. We have this saying na totoo naman. If you will do same thing over and over again without changing anything, that's stupidity. That's why we need to do these small things that you are calling noise, that you are calling futile, para magbago yung public consciousness, para magbago yung nangyari noon.
So what's
Okay?
new?
So this
So
is
what's new?
So what's new? Kasi nung mga panahon na yon, hindi pa buhay na buhay ang galit ng mga tao, same sa ngayon. Okay? Noon, wala pang
So what we
mga
have done in the past?
not because it's not working today. Kaya nga it's a process, Tio eh. So it's a process. So do you think if we will file impeachment today without doing anything else, it will work?
Impeachment is
Answer me.
also a process.
No, that's not the point. The point is going
So what's the
before the
point?
impeachment to work. So tell me, if you think we will file the impeachment today, it will work with the current Congress na pro sa admin. Answer. Will it work? Kung magpa-file ng impeachment ngayon?
Oh, am I allowed to answer na?
Yes.
Okay. No, Coco. I-contextualize ko na because you are not understanding context, okay?
See, you are not answering.
Okay.
You are
No,
evading. Will
Coco,
it
actually
work now?
nakakatawa ka na because you are not understanding
Okay
context.
na,
As I
nakakatawa
mentioned,
itong mga
ang sinasabi mo
ganitong
kasi,
Okay na,
ang sinasabi
Tio.
mo,
Okay na, Tio. Hanggang ngayon, hindi mo na-debunk yung third option ko. Third option pa lang yun, I have other options.
So ano ang third
Pangalawa,
option mo?
di
Ano
mo nga
ang third option
masagot
mo?
na possible. Okay, prove to me that possible ang impeachment kung gagawin ngayon without those small, futile, and noise na sinasabi mo.
Kaya nga kanina, sinasabihan kita, enumerate what are those futile noise na pinapaano mo sa akin.
Answer! Kasi ang sinasabi mo, only impeachment, at maboto si Inday noong 2028 ang mag-work to bring PRRD home. You cannot even prove right now na yung impeachment is possible right now. Sabi mo, realistic.
Oo nga. So,
So ngayon, habang hindi pa yun possible ngayon, lutuin muna natin. Lutuin muna natin para maging possible in the future. At yun yung tinatawag mong small and futile things. Okay? Niluluto natin ang mga bagay-bagay, Tiyo. Okay na, Tiyo. I won't waste your time, Tiyo.
Thank you for strengthening my argument because you are leaning towards the impeachment of Bongbong Marcos.
So do you agree that tayo kami naman, do you agree that tayo kami naman, signature campaign, ay maluluto ang mga bagay-bagay for yung mga possibility mo? Which
ano yung mga bagay-bagay na maluluto because of the signature campaign?
Okay, one is nakikita natin yung numbers at may mas mga nagagalit at may mas willing nang mag-participate.
Does that
Pangalawa.
Does that number did not exist from 2022 up until the 2025, especially knowing that the surveys are always showing that the Dutertes are always on top?
That number is already there, but people are not yet ready to participate.
How come that people are not yet ready?
So kung yung number pala yan, nandyan na, bakit hindi nagsilabasan ng rally, Tiyo?
Hundreds of rallies, the ICC already have commanded millions of people for their rallies, demonstration, and everything.
Kasi nga hindi pa ready, kaya nga ang dami nating rally, hindi masyadong marami.
When would the Filipino people be ready? After the signature campaign?
And more!
It's
a process, Tiyo! It's a process!
Impeachment is also a process. It's not an automatic... Exactly. So
No,
you are strengthening my argument
so-
because here's the thing. Here's the
No,
thing.
no.
What you are
No, because what you are-
kanina,
Tio.
I contextualized na yung argument ko is in the context of a more realistic ways or methods in bringing BPRRD back home.
More realistic
Okay?
way. So, hindi na...
No. Ang
Sabi mo,
point ko dito, ang point ko dito
ang
is
my only
impeachment,
realistic
removal,
way.
and replacement of the sitting president. But you are strengthening my argument that what you are doing now
No.
is leading towards the cooking of the impeachment case. So ano pa
Not
i-argue
just-
natin na you are in agreement with my argument pala?
So, those are not futile and noise. So, those are not futile and
Hindi ko
noise.
na-gets, Coco, hindi ko
Can
na-gets
you
ang
please
sinasabi
answer?
mo.
So, what we are... So,
How
ano
can I
tinatawag
answer
mo
you nga
futile and
when
noise?
the only thing,
Can you
listen
please
up,
answer
how can
me?
I answer you nga when the only thing that the only thing that you said is yung signature campaign. I wasn't even pertaining to
No,
the
I'm not
signature
just
campaign.
that.
So what
ano
are
ba yan?
so what are those futile
Iyo.
things? What are those
Iyo.
futile things? Oh, kasi
No,
ikaw
tell me,
nagsabi.
anong mga futile things mo? Ikaw yung...
Oh, exactly.
Exactly ano? Exactly
I
ano?
am telling you because ikaw
Exactly
yung
ano?
nag-insist.
Anong sinasabi mo doon? Ikaw nag-post noon. Anong sinasabi mo doon?
Coco, balikan natin.
Ano ang sinasabi mo doon? Answer!
No,
Ano ang
kaya nga,
sinasabi mo
kaya
doon, Tio?
hindi,
Tio,
naiintindihan
answer.
kita.
Alam mo, hindi mo ina-answer. Una, hindi mo ina-answer yung kung magpa-file ba
Opo,
tayo ng
sinagot ko
impeachment
na.
ngayon. Hindi, okay na, Tio. You are not answering question. You are just
No,
evading. Okay na.
you're actually
Okay,
becoming
guys,
more
guys,
dumb
okay na,
now.
okay na.
Because
Okay na,
the
Tio.
thing
You are
is-
nothing. Pareho ka lang ng ibang
No,
mga
no, 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 no,
kakamping.
no, 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 no,
Nag-evade
no,
ka
no,
lang.
no, no, no,
Okay
no,
na,
no, no.
okay
You're
na.
very, very wrong.
Okay
You're
na,
very, very
Tio.
wrong. You're very,
Okay
very
na.
wrong. No, no, no.
Bye-bye.